this is my latest project. Just got the fence replaced. I think it turned out really good. The thing about it is we removed a lot of brush. I still got some to push back to the woods a little bit. But this came out looking really good. Could have spent some more money on my entrance gate here, but you know, I think this is sufficient. I can always come back and do a little more. What I like about this the most is how cleaned up everything is. I'm gonna use my pole saw, take off a couple of these limbs, but I can get all my get my tractor underneath here, do all my brush hogging here. We cleared at least 10 feet on both sides of the fence. So you can see back there, we pushed a lot of stuff back there, over there. Some more right here. This is where we got a lot of drainage coming through. So anyway, you can see we're right here on the highway. We got some work being done. Almost one of these are down. It's got about 80% of one side down there. They're making some progress. Hope to have all this down here in the next couple of weeks. If not, I might have to fire these guys. So, all nice and cleaned up. Did a lot of work down here at the end. Made an offset right here. Ended up keeping that eye bracket, whatever you call that, eye brace. I don't particularly like the way it looks, but it was already in place. It's sturdy as hell. So decided to go ahead and keep that. Just finished up over here today, working on this tree, kind of getting this area cleaned up over here. Still work to do. You can see the size of that limb that I took down. This is where my water line goes through. So I was trying to grade this out a little bit, but water flows through right here down into this culvert, so it can only do so much, and you got to be careful coming through here. But kind of did some dirt work over here. I'll still do some more. I could do some grading over here. Got it cleaned up. We're going to take that fence out right there. There's my new that's my new water box, and that's the end of the property. Hope you enjoyed it.